Kysor Johnson bandsaws are widely used. They're an older machine, and typically the blade was 11'6" by 1 inch and 11'6" by 3/4 inch, some of the older machines. We stock a comprehensive inventory of Kysor parts because they're hard to find and hard to get a hold of. We stock the band wheels, both drive and driven. We stock the blade guides, we stock the springs, and we stock the downfeed cylinder. The nice thing about buying your bandsaw blades from Sawblade.com is if you buy $500 to $2,000 in a calendar year of bandsaw blades, we give you a 5 to 20% discount on all your replacement parts. So that can end up really impacting the end user's bottom line. Sawblade.com bundles the whole sawing experience, from bandsaw blades to the know-how to put them on, and we top it off with exceptional customer service.